evacuation protocol. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Young Country Bombers government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. An immediate mandatory evacuation has been issued for the Manchester metropolitan area, effective until further notice. An unknown explosion had occurred at the Manchester 115 kilovolt substation. This has caused fatalities in the power plant. The one that was responsible for the explosion is unknown at this time. In a matter of time, please evacuate immediately. Do not attempt to pick up any of your loved ones as they are being transported to a shelter in El Rico. You will be reunited with your loved ones. Power outages is expected to occur half of the Manchester metropolitan area. If you were not in the Manchester area, tune into local media and outlets for important news and information. As you're evacuating, bring in the items that is listed on the Manchester Police Department's official homepage website. Stay tuned to local media and broadcasting systems for future emergency alerts.